Last week, I had a stroke of culinary inspiration. I opened the fridge door, I looked inside and went, I wonder what would happen if I put that, or a big dash of that together. Do you know what? It was delicious. It was so good. I thought I'd do it again this week. All the same ingredients, more or less, but it didn't quite turn out the same way. I didn't have a recipe as such. It wasn't 100 grams of this and 50 grams of that and put the whole dot together and da. But it was delicious and it was just what I wanted. May not have been quite the same as last week's, but it was really what I was after. And then it got me thinking, that's actually what I tell my speakers on a day of your big presentation. Could be a keynote, could even be your TEDx. You will give 3 talks that day. One in the car on the way there, the one on stage, and the one in the car on the way home, when you berate yourself for all the things that you missed off and you didn't quite do it that way. And forget it. You gave the speech that you needed to, because that was what your audience came to hear. You said the right thing to the right audience at the right time. Trust it, honestly. And that goes for any speaker, whether you're a speaking virgin or somebody who's been at it for years and years and years. We all do the 3 speech day. And that's a good thing. You may have the same ingredients, but the nuances will be different because you are present for your audience. See, if you gave verbatim the same speech every single time, where do you need to be? I mean, you could be off thinking about your shopping list. What else is in the fridge? What else could you come up with? Different recipe next time. My point is, you're not present. When you are there, fully present for your audience, you speak from your heart. Your heart connects to every single heart in the audience. And they don't care who else is around them. You're speaking to them, just to them. That's the connection, that's the rapport when you speak from your heart. So inevitably, it's not going to be exactly the same presentation, exactly the same speech that you gave in the car, nor would it be on the way home. You get my point? When you connect on that deep level, your audience wants to know more. They'll lean in. They want to know more of you. They want more of you. And then you've got the audience just where you want them. This is a really powerful position to be in. So don't take it lightly. Really be present for your audience. And then whoever's booked you are going to go, oh, God, I need them again. And there begins your communication. There begins your relationship with your audience and with your speakers and your bookers. Trust this is helpful. Now, if you want some practice in this, I'm running an open mic event every month, twice a month. One time, which will suit North America and Australia and New Zealand, and a second time to suit Europe, Africa, India, and the western part of Asia. So there are 2 time zones to think about, 2 opportunities for you to practice your new material as a speaker or as an audience member to come and listen and offer feedback. How has something worked? How something may resonate, something may not. Give that feedback and give that speaker a real leg up. What's working, what's not. If you'd like more information on this, check the Eventbrite link below. For now, bye from me.